In this video, we're going to learn about making private comments on student work. It's one thing to have things posted in your stream and making comments and having classroom conversations and issuing comments that everyone can see. But when it comes to student work, we want to make sure to issue some private comments to them, especially if we're giving them some comments to help them improve their work in any way. So to start out, we're going to go to the classwork tab. And we're just going to pick an assignment. So I'm just going to start right here with this writing assignment. I want to view assignments. So here I have all of these students that submitted work. And as you'll notice, yes, all of these were already previously graded. Now, our first method for doing this is simply to go to the student name over here in the left. And if you look at the bottom of the screen, you'll see a place where I can type in a comment. So here I'm just going to put in, thank you for completing your work on time. And then I'll click send. And you'll see down here at the bottom, the student will be able to see that I've issued them a private comment. So when they come in, they'll see this comment here for them. Now we're going to go back. The second method, or place to go to give private comments on an individual student's assignment, we're going to go to classwork again. I'm going to go to that same assignment. And I'm going to go to that same student. But instead of clicking over here on the left, I'm going to actually click on the assignment here. And this will open a separate tab from Google Classroom where you can actually see the student's work. Now, if you look over to the right where I have the grade provided, you'll see that comment I already left. That was at the bottom of the previous method. But when you come to the assignment, this will always be here. So I can type another comment. Let's try to next assignment. And I can click post and it will appear here for the student. Now, let's say I had some general comments that I wanted to be able to provide in case they came up often. I can come up here to these two buttons. One is grading, which is where I'm at right now, or I can go to the comment bank and you'll see some other comments that I've already typed in. So if I wanted to, I could select, let's say, maybe incorrect formatting, alignment. I can copy to clipboard, return to grading, and paste that here. So it saves me a little bit of time and work. Those are the two methods of providing student feedback or private comments within Google Classroom.